So today's topic is application to the problems based on fractions. Fraction, what do you mean by fraction? First to understand. Fraction means, what is fraction? Fraction means you will have a numerator and denominator. Okay, means it may be x by y or 3 by 4 or 7 by 6 or anything it may be. So if numerator and denominator both are there, that is termed to be a fraction. Clear? So based upon this one only we are going to discuss some of the sums. Clear? Okay. Now they are saying that the question is, copy the question. The fraction becomes 4 by 5. Okay, the question is, you see the question, the fraction becomes 4 by 5 if 1 is added to both the numerator and denominator. Okay, dot, if however 5 is subtracted from both the numerator and denominator, comma, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Dot, what is the fraction? Clear? Okay. So now what I have to tell you, it is according to the fraction. Okay, first you have to write the given fraction. Is there any given fraction is there? Now in the question they have not given any fraction. Okay, they are saying that the fraction becomes 4 by 5. We know that, we will say the fraction look like this one. The fraction will be just like x by y if we doesn't know the value. Okay, if in case we know the value, instead of writing x by y we will write the value. Okay, so what they are saying, the fraction becomes 4 by 5. The fraction becomes 4 by 5 means they gave you the fraction. What is the fraction? The fraction is 4 by 5. Clear this one? Okay. Now they are saying when it is 4 by 5, if 1 is added to numerator and denominator, if 1 is added to both the numerator and denominator. So what is numerator? X plus 1 added to numerator y plus 1. If 1 is added to both the numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 4 by 5. Clear this one? This is clear? Okay, after that what you will do? Cross multiply. 4 y plus 1 in the middle equal to 5x plus 1. Okay, so 4y plus 4 is equal to 5x plus 5. So 4y minus 5x, okay, equal to 5 minus 4. So 4y minus 5x is equal to 1. Equation number 1. Clear? So now I have to read further for second equation. If however 5 is subtracted from both the numerator and denominator, 5 is subtracted from both the numerator and denominator. Say, what is the doubt? What is they are saying? For example, they are saying that when I am adding 1 to the numerator and 1 to the denominator, the fraction is becoming 4 by 5. So means at what value I am adding? I don't know that value, na? Do I know the value? I don't know the value. I am adding 1 to the numerator, but what is the numerator value? You know the value? No. Denominator value? We don't know. They are saying that after adding 1 to the numerator as well as denominator, I am getting the value as 1 by 4 by 5. I don't know numerator value. I don't know the denominator value. So what I will do? Let the numerator and denominator be x and y. So fraction is this one. So now if nothing they have been saying, my answer is x by y. If nothing they are mentioning, my answer is what? X by y. But they are saying, what he is saying? He is saying when I am adding 1 to what? Numerator and denominator. So this is a numerator and this is the denominator. Add 1 to both. It is becoming now 4 by 5. Clear? Any doubt? For example, now in case for example, the numerator I am having has 4. The denominator I am having has 6. Okay, they are saying that you are adding 2 to the numerator and 2 to the denominator. So it will be numerator. Now numerator will be how much? 4 plus 2. Denominator will be 6 plus 2. Numerator how much? 6. Denominator is 8. Now it becomes how much? Now after solving, how much it will become? 3 by 4. Say.
X by y is the fraction, and what will be called 4 by 5?
4 by 5 is the answer after solving. What I am saying? See, for example, see, I will tell you. For example, these are the two numbers. Numerator is 4, you leave this one. Numerator is 4, denominator is 6. Okay, they're saying that add 2 to both. So numerator will be how much? 4 plus 2, 6. Denominator how much? Clear? So this is numerator, denominator. Okay, now previously what was the fraction? Fraction was 4 by 6, na? 2 by 3. Clear? Now what is the fraction? 6 by 8. What is the fraction now? 3 by 4. So both are same. Why? They are same or not? Different. Why they are different? Because I am increasing the value of the numerator and denominator by 2. That's why the number got changed. Na? That's why instead of getting 2 by 3, I am getting how much? 3 by 4. Na? The fraction got changed or the fraction is same? It's changed. Why it got changed? Because I am adding some value. If I am adding or if I am subtracting, the numerator and the denominator changes. So by using that value, if I am taking out the fraction will be similar to the previous one or it will change? It will change because I have made the changes in the numerator and denominator. That's what they are saying. They are saying that if I am adding 1 to the numerator and 1 to the denominator, do the fraction will be same as previously or it will change? It will change, and the change got to 4 by 5. Understood? Previously when I am not having the numerator and denominator, what I told, numerator be x and denominator be y. So from there I got the fraction as x by y. So 1 is added, they are saying. After adding 1, I will get the fraction as again x by y only, or something else I will get. Something else is 4 by 5.
So when we add some number to the fraction, then only we are getting 4 by 5.
Then only I am getting. No, see, I am adding something to the numerator, something to the denominator. Now it will be equal to 4 by 5.
Will it be cross multiplication?
So that's what I am doing. No? Clear? You understood now why I am doing this one? Now, after this, again they are saying something in the question. What they are saying? You subtract 5 from the numerator and denominator. Again, the numerator was x, the denominator was y previously. Now they are saying you have to subtract 5 from both the numerator and denominator. Okay. So it will be x minus 5 and y minus 5. It will be equal to 1 by 2. So cross multiply 2. It will be how much? X minus 5 equal to 1, y minus 5. 2x minus 10 is equal to y minus 5. So 2x minus y is equal to minus x 5 plus 10. So 2x minus y is equal to 5. Equation number 1, equation number 2. You will solve, you will get your answer. Clear? Clear now? You leave the place and the answer for this is 7 by 9. I am showing you the answer. You will solve, you will get your answer. The answer is 7 by 9. This is your answer. Which one? The second one. Again, wait. Again, they are saying from the starting the question, they are saying that you are having some fraction. We don't know fraction. So x and y, numerator x, denominator y. So from there, the fraction will be x by y. In this case, okay, in this case. Now again he is saying that I am subtracting 5 from both the things, numerator and denominator. Subtract, this is numerator, this is denominator. 5 subtracted, 5 subtracted. So after subtracting, the fraction will again x by y or it will change. It will change now. So it got changed to 1 by 2. So after that cross multiply. Understood? So again I got an equation. So solve these two equations, you will get your answer as 7 by 9. Numerator has 7 and denominator has 9. That will be your answer. Clear? Okay. You see this question, next one. Now you see, once you see the question, the fraction is such that if the numerator is multiplied by 3 and the denominator is reduced by 3, comma, we get 18 by 11, comma, but if the numerator is increased by 8 and the denominator is doubled, comma, we get 2 by 5. Find the fraction. Clear? Okay. So now what they are saying again is a fraction now. So let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. So according to that the fraction will be x by y. Hai? Numerator is x, denominator is y. So fraction will be what? X by 1 only. Now we will see is anything there is a change in the fraction or if fraction changes, if numerator and denominator changes, the fraction changes. If the numerator and denominator doesn't change, the fraction will change. No. We will see. They are saying that the fraction is such that the numerator is multiplied by 3. Okay, I am multiplying the numerator by 3. So it will be how much? X into 3. Okay, wait, let me write. I have to erase this one. Erase this one. Wait. So what they're saying, I have to multiply the numerator by 3. So numerator, what I told numerator is x. So it will be 3 into x now. 3x. Next. And the denominator is reduced by 5. Reduced means minus. Na? Denominator is how much? Y minus 3. Okay. We get 18 by 11. Okay. We get 18 by, clear. You know, after that cross multiply. Okay. Okay. After solving, you will get this one as 11x minus 6y plus 18 equal to 0. This one. Okay. Next one more equation we need. Okay. Next they are saying that if the numerator is increased by it means, this is equation 1. For this one, equation 1, the second one. Okay. Increased by it means x plus 8 increased. Okay. Next. And the denominator is double. Denominator is double means 2 times. The fraction becomes 2 by 5. Clear this one? Okay. When you solve, you will get this one as 5x minus 4y plus 40 equal to 0. Cross multiplication. Is clear or not? You tell me this one. Any doubt in this one? Not having doubt.
3x divided 3 into 3 multiply x.
Which one?
3x.
3x into 11 equal to 18 in this one.
3 into x.
3 into x means 3x only. Though. Both are same only. After solving, the answer of this one will be, I am writing the answer. It will be 12 by 25. 12 by 25. Okay, you have to solve this one. Okay, means in x you will get as 12 and y you will get as 25 after solving equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. So next question. The question is, the denominator of the fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. Dot. When both the numerator and denominators are decreased by 6, comma, then the numerator becomes 12 times the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Determine the fraction. Okay. So again the same thing. Again they are saying about the fraction only. So fraction means what I will write? This one, the numerator be x and the denominator be y. So the fraction will be x by y. Okay. So next what they are saying that I have to get the numerator. The denominator of the fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. What does it mean? 4 more than twice the numerator. Which one? Denominator or numerator? Denominator of the fraction is denominator is means equal to what? 4 more than twice the number. 4 more than twice the numerator, like this. Okay, clear? The denominator of the fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. Clear? Okay. Next what they are saying, when both the numerator and denominator are decreased by 6. When both the numerator and denominator are decreased by 6. What is the numerator here? Numerator is x, no? Numerator is how much? X. So numerator is decreased by 6. So x minus 6 and denominator is how much? Wait. See. This is a fraction. This is a equation number 1. There is no need to do anything. This is equation number 1. Now I am going to frame equation number 2. So for that again I am having a numerator as x. Again the denominator is y. Okay. So numerator is decreased by 6 means x minus 6 and denominator is also decreased by 6 means this is numerator, this is denominator. This will be y minus 6. Clear? Then saying the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. The denominator becomes 12 times. The denominator is how much? Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Clear this one? This is equation number 2. Equation number 1. See, when I am framing equation number 1, my numerator is x and denominator is y. With respect to that only I will frame the equation. And when I am framing the second equation, again my numerator is x and denominator is y. You will not use these values as a numerator and denominator. Clear? With respect to that only. These are 2 equations and your answer is 7 by 18. When you solve, you will get your answer. Clear? Copy.